Welcome to DTS Pro AI tutorials. To check the version of your software, navigate to Help. The software version is displayed on the top menu. DTS Pro AI incorporates facial recognition technology. If your system configuration is less than the recommended ideal, the software automatically disables the automation process. This can be controlled from settings where you can either enable or disable the automation process. The opening screen has options of uploading an extraoral image, the retracted intraoral image, or the intraoral scan. As far as the photography protocol is concerned, it doesn't really matter whether you use a mobile phone or DSLR camera to shoot the images. Extraoral images should be shot in wide smiling position with maximum display of the teeth and the gingiva. There should always be a little intra-incisal space between the upper and the lower teeth. There are help tips on each screen, either in the form of text guides or video tutorials. Let us upload an extraoral image. As soon as an image is uploaded, it takes us to this basic image editing screen where you can either crop the image, rotate it, adjust the brightness, contrast of the image. Once the editing is completed, you can press Done. This takes us back to the landing screen where the AI engine starts the facial recognition process. This typically takes anywhere from 15 to 20 seconds depending upon the speed of your system. We can now navigate to the next screen using the green arrow. As we can see, the smile area is automatically detected. You can zoom in or zoom out the image using the center wheel of the mouse. To scroll the image in any direction, you can press the center wheel of the mouse and move the mouse in the direction desired. Even though the smile area is automatically detected, these points are editable. So you may choose to further edit the automated selection. We can add more control points by left clicking between any two existing points. Right clicking over the points deletes the control point. We can press Done, which takes us to the next screen, that is the extraoral image alignment. As we can see, the software engine has detected the interpupillary line and marked the facial midline. We may choose to slightly alter the automatically detected line and press Done. This finishes the initial alignment process. Let us straight navigate to the Instant Smiles feature of the DTS Pro AI software. As you can see, the software has overlaid a smile template on the patient's existing smile area. These two control points, the green and the blue point, they are overlapped on the patient's canine teeth. To alter the fit of these 2 points, we can reduce the transparency using the opacity bar. We can get the best possible fit. Once we are satisfied with the fit of the smile template on the patient's existing teeth, we can just increase the opacity there and we can navigate through these smile templates. Every smile template can be individually edited as needed. DTS Pro has a selection of approximately 20 smile templates of different shapes. You can add unlimited number of your own templates in the smile library. Once you are happy with a particular template, just navigate to the preview screen. Let us minimize the menu bar. You can adjust the brightness and contrast of the template from the Adjust menu. Making the template a little transparent so that it blends with the underlying image. And this is a side-by-side before-after comparison. This can be played in the form of a GIF transition from before to after. In the same way, smile templates can be used for a variety of simulations. Let us see one more example of simulation for an edentulous patient. We shall follow the same steps. Let the software carry out the facial recognition process. We will navigate to the next screen using the green arrow. I can slightly extend the smile area here, but the engine has done a reasonable job of detecting the smile line. Let us again navigate to the instant smile screen. As discussed before, each screen has a text menu or a video tutorial that can guide the user at each stage. Trying to align the template in the most ideal position. We can use this template because it displays both the upper and the lower teeth. Navigate to the preview section. Adjust the brightness contrast. If needed, make it a little transparent. And the simulation is complete. Instant smile simulations can be used for orthodontic simulations, cases with severe crowding, multiple missing teeth, or even full mouth rehabilitations. As we can see in this image, the full face of the patient is not displayed. So the software has not automatically detected the smile area. So we can just do a manual selection by left clicking and dragging from one corner of the mouth to the other. In this case, if we want the smile template to only cover the upper teeth and not extend till the lower teeth, we can even limit our smile area and exclude the lower teeth from the selection. We may choose to skip the alignment step and navigate to the instant smiles. As you can see, the templates are extending only on the upper teeth and not on the lower teeth. and that is my simulation only for the upper teeth, and I have excluded the lower teeth from my selection. If you want, you can just navigate back to the smile area and include the lower teeth as well. So I can just reset it and make a new selection all over again. And as we can see now, this is covering both the upper and the lower teeth. In order to add a new template to the Smile library, navigate to Settings, Add Smile Template. You can upload unlimited number of templates to the library. Just follow the instruction on the bottom of the screen which says left click and mark any one canine tip. Left click and mark the second canine tip. Left click and drag to select the central incisors. So I am just left clicking and selecting my central incisors. You need not be 100% accurate here. Just try to cover your central incisors. Press done. This Smile template is now added to your library. It will be displayed at the end. As we can see, we are not yet able to see our uploaded Smile template. So let us just navigate to some other screen and come back to Instant Smiles. Check at the end of the list. As we can see, the user template one, the template that we have just uploaded to our library.